Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man. Good morning to my friends. Yeah, man. An enemy. And enemies on the voice of Big Miller. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man. This is the sun. Yeah, man, the sun. Yeah, man, the son of Lion Youth. Lion Youth. Yeah, man. This is Lion on the back. And you can't see Lion right there, so. Yes, I am. Sons. One of the sons of Lion Youth. Yeah, man, guys, big up. Alright. Introduce myself, Marley, the way now. One of the sons of Lion Youth. Boy. Enough sons come out to Lion Youth, you know, brother. But I may tell you, brother, enough sons come out to Lion Youth, you know. Yes, I am. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so big up. Big up to all the brethren them who still alive, who was part of Lion Youth. Boy, everyone can call him on here so much, man, brother. Bumpy, Whitey Pele, Hero, Esco. I can't tell you. Shaba, Franco. A whole heap of man, a whole heap of man, a whole heap of man. Yatta. Yeah, man. But as I say now, yeah, man. Yeah, man, the voice of Big Miller upon him case. Again. Yeah, man, you know what it is? Yeah, man, today's Bob Marley birthday. Bob Marley birthday today. Bob Marley have a song say, boy, you have so many things to say right now. So many things to say right now. When you say, boy, actually, I can't remember the words of the song, them brother. You understand me? Some things unfold. Some things unfold since. Because sometimes I plan to make a speech, you know. But to see me start talk, like I want a different person to take control of me. Yeah, man. I just blew up this picture this morning because I see that be machine now. You don't see me so? Let me print and I can print. It's 11 by 17. You can print 4 by 6, 5 by 7 in a seat. Yeah, man, 8.5. Yeah, man, 8.5 by 11. 11 by 17. And I can print something there. 13 by 99 biggest size. I have my printer in there. I have my laminating machine. Yeah, man, so as I say, I just blow up a picture here with Bob Marley in a seat and spray. Yeah, man, it's a youth of Bob Marley, man. All of Bob Marley pick them and just favor Bob Marley. Most of them, one of them, when I can know, they can see that Bob Marley youth. In a seat. She. Where's this while? She, Anita Bell Nevis, don't give Bob Marley no jacket. I got like one Pickneyz she have. This a lady here. And I go touch on certain topic. When I go tell me, some people tell me if you apologize to aisle him out. This won't touch on the case about aisle him out. You hear me? Yes. Yeah. You just blow up. This is youth. Bob Marley. To that Bob Marley birthday. You know, see, I went over the weekend, Bob Marley win the Grammy. And I people talk, say, boy, Bob Marley shouldn't win and this and that, talk and I talk and I talk. And Bob Marley kids answer one and all them saying. When a Bob Marley youth, them I tell him to go. What do with the mother and all them sitting go. Me go talk plain. The man say, the man telling us say, you know, fi suck no more than all them sitting there. Yeah man, when a Bob Marley you to answer, you know. But that a phone a Grammy thing, you know, when I talk about, you know. One of fight over, you know. But the one thing I tell no people, you see the works that Bob Marley put on this about ya. Bob Marley telling us that Bob Marley, because when I was a boy, I was read about Marcus Garvey. I not read no books about Marcus Garvey, but we know about Marcus Garvey. Because Marcus Garvey was a favorite national hero. Because back in the days when I get pinned, because I give you the pin with the national hero, them, you know. That was Marcus Garvey pin you want. We don't want no Buster Man to pin, we don't want no. You know, see, it was Marcus Garvey pin you want, brother. You know, see, the Marcus Garvey or Paul Bogo. Back in the days, back in the 70s, I used to go back to school. And he was directly pin them. You know, see it. Yes. So, otherwise, me say, me want to tell them before, you know, say Marcus Garvey. You know, see it. Marcus Garvey, Michael Manley, Bob Marley, see there, and Usain Bolt. Yeah man, are the 4 greatest men come out of Jamaica. And the 4 of them will get national hero. Yeah man. 4 of them will get national hero, brother. You know, see, and that I want to know. Yeah. So me are telling you, say, you see, farmer people, them, we the youths, we farmer people, yeah man, the children of Michael Manley. Because Michael Manley make we be what we be now in life, you know. Michael Manley. I mean, now stop talking about Michael Manley. That's what I tell people, say, me no PMP in a seat. You understand me? I mean, no GLP. Because most PMP in a seat and GLP, me no say all of them, you know. Me no say all of them, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. Me say most. A matter of fact, me not say most still. Me go take by the word most. Yeah man. Some PMP and some GLP in a seat are educated fools in a seat and fully dunce. You have educated fools and fully dunce upon the both sides of the fence. But one thing I want to know, say, in a seat, one thing I want to know, say, when you see Michael Marley Pickneyz, eh? Michael Manley Pickneyz in a seat. Michael Manley Pickneyz, because enough people say my Michael Manley Pickneyz. Someone is a Michael Manley Pickneyz are not educated fools and neither fully dunce. Yeah, some of us might not left high school on bag of subjects, but we still not fully dunce. We're smart. Because Michael Manley teach us say socialists no fools. Michael Manley teach us say, so if you read, I'm glad me know say me can read. And the greatest book me ever read. It's about some people, you know. But the greatest book me ever read. You understand me? Yeah. And the Bible. This is the greatest book me ever read. Yeah man. The Bible. So you can't trick Michael Manley Pickneyz. Yeah man, you can't trick back how is Michael Manley right so because today I know say me now make my content pass half an hour. Yeah man. So it's all about Bob Marley birthday. Today Bob Marley birthday. in a seat. You see when Bob Marley's son, because the last content me doing him talk about the happy days, you know, man. When Caan and Marley, you know, walk amongst him people, you know. In a seat. And the people them sell him out, you know. In a seat. But the local people them, yeah man, and in a seat. But the grassroots people them and our political, yeah man. Yeah man. Our political people them. Like all the councillor. Yeah man, the mayor me attack. Gager. Yes. And people, never dress the never dress the topic there. I don't want to elaborate upon it. We don't long at the time. But I go touch you back. But then drop-in center where they build upon the Falmouth Election Waitland Youth Center. When Bob Marley did want the property. The man just want to lease the property, man. We build a sports complex. And then put drop-in center upon it. And the top of them love poor people. And them love come tell you something. The reason why they build a drop-in center, you hear me? Upon the land of Mr. Alexander Waitland Youth Center. They build a drop-in center and the shelter part. They build a drop-in center and then build a shelter part upon it. And now they want put the fowl farm upon it. They build it because they want the homeless people, them, if you want to call them homeless people and street people, they want to take them out of the town. They want to take them out of the town of Falmouth and keep them downtown Falmouth. Because they don't want the tourists, when the tourists up in the town, they don't want tourists to see them. And that we did hear, you know. When we come back and I start inquiring, you know. And that we did hear, you know, that's the main reason why they build it, you know. Because it's all about in tourism. Because them street people up in the town is like an eyesore. Aside them man there, man, I trick people, you know. Just like I say, them trick people the other day and give them house and all them sitting in the car. Because I always told them for me tell live John. I don't want to divert for my argument still. I pay a trick. You know see? I pay a trick Andrew. You know see? And in followers, them trick the people them. Trick the people them about ya. And I use drop-in center. You know see? As face card. Then I want on street people up in the town. Yeah man, because of the tourism. It's all about tourism for them, you know, brother. That's all them care about, you know. They don't give a damn about the people in my Falmouth, you know. It's all about them tourism. Tourism is good, you know. We not against tourism, you know. I mean, not against place with the homeless, you know. But where them put it. When Bob Marley did one build a sports complex. When you give Bob Marley, you understand me? When you don't give Bob Marley, I know a Bob Marley birthday, and I know a Bob Marley birthday today, you know, when you have this big celebration, Bob Marley, our 80th birthday, as for me, I remember how you see. Because Bob Marley dead in a man, Bob Marley ever live on in a man. Because the man words ever live on, you know. Because the man use words, sound and power and conquer one, you know. Because no from the political leader never like Bob Marley. You never did like Bob Marley. I want to see him one kill Bob Marley. Because we all know the history of Bob Marley. When Bob Marley tried to unify people with music, when 1980, the bloodiest election ever keep in Jamaica. Because I know all them things then, brother. I mean, bitter me see things are going on, you know. In the seat. Yes, 1980 election. Them time when much person dead during the time and Bob Marley come to try to bring peace with Michael and Siaga. Yeah man, the two white man them. Because Michael and Siaga white man, you know. And Bob Marley father a white man, you know. So when some political leader come talk about they don't want no white man to run in country and no white man this and white man that. A market a white man and a market your father a white man. Bob Marley father a white man. As since me get big, me know that. Because if the Bob Marley father was a black man, you know. I can't believe the Bob Marley father was a white man. On embrace Bob Marley now. We have Bob Marley as yeah man. And Bob Marley father is a white man, just like a Marky G father a white man. So when warming girl a chatting bag of crap, when warming girl a chatting bag of crap and in a seat, and all my so me not want to talk politics in a better. Gonna treat the people in know. In a seat. Gonna care about the people in a better. In a seat. We don't care about poor people, you know. We don't go use poor people in a long time. God has sent him profit and so forth to make poor people wise up, you know. Me have so many things to say, you know, brother. But that time, I just show a Bob Marley birthday today, you know. You know, see? Because I know this represent the Rastas. I know what Rastas got through, you know, brother. Back in the 70s, you know. I know the persecution Rastas got through, you know. And Rastas make I and I know, say, God a black man. God a man like, you see, we have got chosen people, the black race. That's why black people wander all over the world. I have so many things to say. You know, see, I'm gonna say it in a, yeah man, 16 minutes. You understand me? So, as I say, we Chilani people, we Falmouth people are talented set of people in. Talented set of people in, brother. When you come on to sports, that's why the other day when I do a content out of Parkfield there. And when I tell some two young white tourist youth and black youth and one white tourist youth, I will tell them about both. So yes, so the parish boat come from. And look how the playground stay. And the man said, it's crazy. How come using boat can come from the parish here and the playground and the kids in the playground to play pan. You know see. And last night I watch something there. JBC News. No. Maybe say JBC News. Can I go touch upon JBC, you know? TVJ. Can I go touch upon JBC? I'll go back to that now. You know see. Last night I watch TVJ Tell Live with John. And Vassy Reynolds, they give a speech around primary competition what go start. Some up on Kingston and St. Anne. Some about the place. We have a Clarendon it a start and all them things. Because only in place they keep all in primary football commission the entire year back. Because them things are going to Chilani. And Vassy Reynolds say, yeah man, you can't lift everything up to Issa when you come on to grassroots football. You know see me? The government and the private sector them have suffered after the more because Issa run high school football, you know. But on a primary level, the government you know, and the private sector for the more, you know see, for the football. That means say like our barrack school and primary school, they call it all school, the primary school same way. And them compete against primary. You know see it? Because if you want the youth them to excel in sports, you have to start from the grassroots level. You know see it? And look on Parkfield playground. The condition was disgraceful. Football can't play upon it. Look on the condition the playground at Park. And that Michael Manley Pickneyz the vice board. You understand me? Yes. Yeah man, that Michael Manley Pickneyz the vice board. Sports. We don't do nothing at all for sports. Because I must have early since week, I won the last week. I Bob to grade me see on my Tell Live with John. My TVJ Tell Live with John say, oh she, because right now, Even GC Faster track can't fix up. But she go fix up National Stadium track, you know. Because about April ago, a champs, you know. Yeah, man, the big champs at National Stadium about if in March or April. And she, because through the track in one bad condition, see me. Them have the patchy up here and all them seeing it. And Bob just say, them go, man supposed to get contract, some bid for contract and to fix the National Stadium track in a month or 2 times. Bob's go fix it for champs, big champs. And my God, man, for about 7, 8 years now, catching our truck can't fix up. 7, 8 years now, catching our truck can't fix up. Yes, 7, 8 years now. Yeah, man, Western Jamaica, and most of Western Jamaican people, them are labor right them. Most of Western Jamaica, because the last election, we sweep Western Jamaica. In the seat, and no catching our truck. A GC Faster. A GC Faster never carry Western champs go. Yes. GC Faster build back this money. But the devil said I do nothing at all for Jamaica. GC Faster build back this money. I may go touch. I have so many things in the seat. You say right now. So many things to say. This money. Michael Manley. Because last night on the TV television, one lady attack. I don't know what she name. See some but she attack on behalf of in the seat. And the devil. Because all I want in the seat are the followers and children of the devil, you know. When me call myself MMP Michael Manley Pickneyz. Uno AHP Andrew Wallace Pickneyz. Because they worship Andrew Wallace. I mean, this Andrew Wallace is a devil. So me the lady last night I chat about say because USA go stop the aid to the countries them now. Because USA Trump a deal with them thing. Trump a deal with them thing America. So all of them want to pan down now they talk about. I mean the chat last night she talk about last night pan me tell live and say something there. Say we can't depend on countries anymore. We must be independent. Yeah, man. Both devil say we should be independent. We can't depend on country anymore. You know, see it. I don't realize that. When Michael Manley, this man teach us self-reliance. We must depend on people. Michael Manley want to try empowering people them. You know, see it. Build up them country. When Michael Manley in a power. Because I know everything, you know. Panel levels, you know. Because I'm a youth. You know, see, my mother no shackle me, I go everywhere in the better. I know all what going on, man. Michael Manley teach us to be self-reliant. When Michael Manley in a power, Michael Manley tourism wasn't the main foreign gain foreign currency. Jamaica have everything. Jamaica have the backside company. Jamaica have sugar in the seat. Agriculture. Tourism was part of it, yes. But Jamaica they have them land and they utilize the land. And Michael Manley teach us to be self-reliance. Michael Manley join up, link up with in neighbor Cuba to build up in country. Michael Manley having one ideology, in one philosophy, socialism, you have to socialize. And Michael Manley when you use the Cubans and you build up Jamaica. You know see it. The communist country Cuba, you build up Jamaica. And only you mention about TV, about JBC. Me now figure out better. That's the one thing I want to talk about, you know. I want main thing I want to talk about. That's me put Michael Manley in front of the thing now, you know. Me now forgot the 1980 election campaign. 1980 election campaign with PMP and JLP. Me sit down as a little boy. Me sit down as a little boy and watch JBC black and white TV in time there. Yeah man. I mean a black and white TV in time. Me yeah. And me watch, you know, see, campaign. Yeah man. Yeah man, the commercial when you put, yeah man, the campaign advertisement when have up. When you show people that come from, when you show here Jamaica, the entire year Jamaica went up and running. When you show people that come from Cuba, par year Jamaica look shabby. And look, yeah man, and look mash up coming from Cuba. On the show people in the city, yeah man, they come from America, from here Jamaica, looking so nice and splendorous with jewelry and enough suitcase and all them sitting there. Me now forgot that. So they paint the picture like America paradise. Yeah man, for the world. So that's why the people them take to America. That's why they sabotage Michael Manley. You know, see, because they want to live the American lifestyle. And the American lifestyle they want to live, you know. So they take for greener grass. Nobody no stop from going where they want to go, you know. I found the choice of life, you know. But America is a country. And going in everybody's country and try to control the people. I want to try to bring in dirty lifestyle upon people. And I found, yes, and see the Trump selling the back on the yard. Big up to all over America and they survive, you know. And they make it, you know. And straight up on themselves, you know. But me I tell you better. Because they paint the picture like America in a state, a paradise. Where Michael Mann telling you, they use the Cubans and they build up in country. Just like how Cuba is a communist country and China right now are the biggest communist country in the world. America can bully wise China. They can bully any other country. America have a friend China. And you see it now? Yeah man, bro devil them. Talk about them a builder. Bro devil them build nothing at all. A Chinese people build up Jamaica. A Chinese control Jamaica. Jamaica no control Jamaica again. China and you know see. And tourism them control Jamaica. And them have a land, the better land of Jamaica and all them sitting there. China them can do what they want to do. You know see. Only some sit educated fool and fully dunce. Because only educated fool and fully dunce support Andrew Hollis. Bruce Gold and Siaga as bad as thing may be. Because Siaga been way same way still. Siaga no one normal man no better. But what? Siaga better man than the devil. Andrew Hollis is the devil. And that me I tell you now. Andrew Hollis is going to pretend like he love poor people. Andrew Hollis love poor people. Coming like Judas. You think Judas will love the poor? Judas will carry the money bag. Me read everything in this end when you can't trick me, you know. Me read what Judas is one of them. Judas, you see me? See me have books upon me. I just don't want to preach nothing to people. What time now? My God, man, at 28 minutes, man. I have so many things to say right now. You know, see? Yeah, man. So what me I say? Michael Manley. Yeah, man. Are the greatest Prime Minister Jamaica have ever seen. There's not going to be another Michael Manley. So don't dare compare the devil with Michael Manley. And Michael Manley picking afraid and none of you know. None of you know. Because Michael Manley say he will walk on his feet in the sea through the world. More than crap on the knees to America. The one, you understand me? Talk about, when I come talk about, we should be independent. And no one be independent. Michael Mann telling us to be self-reliance. For a long time, Michael Mann not telling that. So when someone come try to diss Michael Mann, come out, Michael Mann Michael Manley Pickneyz. Enough of us are Michael Manley Pickneyz. Because when a Michael Manley Pickney, Jabby, beautify downtown Falmouth. Jabby building plaza, the beautify downtown Falmouth. And this man and Ugly Mac, this man Mackenzie, because we call him Ugly Mac, you know, can go and him a bully wise and he can bully people. Ugly Mac, this man Mackenzie, build my house. Build my house. Open my house pan a youth center. And that me I talk about. You know see? Yeah man. And put shelter to the highly mount. Back in the days, you see when them girls here, I take part in a sports. I live Ellis fan compound. But if yeah man, but if extra time, got 30 minutes gone, but me go close by saying, can me cover certain amount of area. This is going to come from compound. Kimani man, Anita Bell Nevis. Kimani mother this are. Yes, Kimani mother. What them have in the hand? Table tennis racket. Jamaica doubles champion. Yes. Right now, 2 table tennis board. They pan center, you know. Kimani buy one, you know. And Stammer buy one. All who know about Stammer buy a 2 table tennis board in the pan center, you know. Kimani man fix up center, you know. You would spending money, you know. Because you would come people, you understand me? When last, nobody now play table tennis again in a Trelawney. Nobody now play no sports. So me I tell you see where them 2 girls are back in the days I played in sports and girl like RJ Steele around and the whole of Picos generation them around in a sports. I them out to sell pussy. Pussy I them out to sell. And me talking raw ban and char. Uno gonna tell me say me if you apologize I them out. Eh? Uno know as sister Patsy, you know. But me know as highly mouth. Because in a bedroom, when me talk say the whole of it did want to touch off a highly mouth. That man link me and tell me say, me talk you are China. The man tell me say him fuck highly mouth. If you want bill box food and a box drinks, $20 in fuck highly mouth for. Then tell you a billboard restaurant up in that town. That the man say him fuck highly mouth for. If you want box food, you know see it. I want box drinks. That's why I say I don't want no highly mouth girls to come out of Falmouth. Trelawney. You don't talk about say me if you apologize to highly mouth. You don't know who I deal with, you know. Because me bitter fan 2020, you know. I fan 2020, I see the devil in a seat. In a seat. Because I the thing that kill my uncle, you know. But not the one call, you know. I know say I the thing that kill my tick, you know. Because I take reason. And the man tell me say they take a thing there. Boy, I tell you better. So from 2020 me bitter. This all do to poor people. Or the devil. That's why DJ Kentucky. Me the pan something there. I hear DJ Kentucky the bonfire. That's the they want sing DJ Kentucky. Because DJ Kentucky saying can't believe so no people say they now vote. And the orange and the green I went up and down behind in a seat. Because during the 2020 PMP and JLP couldn't save me, you know. You know see, 2020 PMP and JLP couldn't save me, you know. You know see. Actually me read the words, you know, and they were to save me, you know. The Bible, you know. You know see. Yeah man, PMP and JLP couldn't save me 2020. Yeah. Couldn't save me. God saved me. I'm going to touch because I got an extra time now. I mean, you understand? I have so much things to say. In a seat. So they're going to talk about me in a seat. So I tell you, me bitter fan 2020, brother. When the devil talk about God make pies and joke and the world and go take pies and no fun on all people that drop same way. And you want the devil. Caan trick Michael Manley Pickney. Caan trick Michael Manley Pickney. And you only can't trick educated fool and fully dunce. Can't trick me. So when you're ready, you can come for me. That's why I have the thing in me, myself, and I and wife with Jimmy. I'm different man in Babylon, you know. You know, see it, you know, bright and feisty. But Michael Manley mash up country in the 70s. We are talking about Michael Manley, Pickneyz. I talk about Michael Manley, the greatest prime minister that Jamaica have ever seen. Don't dare to compare the devil. This man that tell us the leaders we just modest. This man that say, you know, driving on flashy car and bev. Look how they dress back in the days. No matter what they want to say about the man. All the time wedding picture still. Michael, because all for me thing. One of the Labour right to come talk about Michael Manley as Prime Minister. That's why I get beat against uneducated fool and fully dunce. So the Prime Minister talk about independent, we should be independent. Michael Manley 70s teach us about self-reliance. And the greatest Prime Minister this Jamaica have ever seen. That's why when I talk about Chum. Come to the man. It's a lion youth shall ever stand. And big up Tiger Youth generations them too. Just born man the Tiger Youth. I live among enough Rastas. Enough all the Rastas them love Michael Manley. Bob Marley love Michael Manley. That's what all the conscious artists them. Buju Banton all of them love Michael Manley. Yeah man. Never no dare try for this Michael Manley. When you can talk, when you can this any other Prime Minister. Don't come go speak out. I'm not afraid of none of you. No, I'm not afraid. So anything you want to dig up with me and do no one do, me a step different in the Babylon right now. Because you can't buy me out. You see, me prefer walk the street as a madman more than live in a corruption. But I not eat out on garbage pan because the socialists out there go support me. It be hard to call PMP people in go support me. I go sign off now, come here and full. But me if you apologize. To hide him out. Them girls are queen of farm back in the days. Caribbean champion. What 1976 Caribbean table tennis champion. You know see. Jamaica doubles. Table tennis doubles female champion. Them girls, yeah. Jamaica, Falmouth and Trelawney are the most talented people living in Jamaica when it comes to sports. Usain Bolt are the perfect example. So, yeah man, Lion Outa step out right now. Yeah. Big up yourself, stories. You can get interview, you know. I go see me can't get Ralston on the beach this morning. Yeah man, I interview Ralston. Yeah man. So as I say, yeah man. It definitely now reach an hour. No sign off, you know, I have so many things to say. So as I say, yes, I am. Yeah man. Falmouth greats. Yeah man, Bob Marley sign and Michael Manley. I want to talk about Bob Marley when we come here. Bob Marley get national hero. And Michael Manley get national hero too. And Usain Bolt and you know see Marcus Garvey get it already. And step right now. You know see. Yeah man, so happy birthday. Yeah man to Bob Marley and his families and all the fans of Bob Marley. Uno got tired to see Bob Marley face. Uno got tired to see Bob Marley face and Bob Marley Pickneyz them face, but uno can't get them out of the race. Bob Marley win the Grammy. Because Bob Marley legacy have to live on. Bob Marley start as a rude boy singer, you know. Back in the days, you know. And Bob Marley changed him style, you know. You know, see. Uno kill Bob Marley just like uno kill Jesus Christ. The silent Jesus Christ. And the silent Bob Marley. Because Bob Marley dead when he was 36-year-old. Jesus dead when he was 33-year-old. Not for the great man, they not spend long pan earth. It's a reason why God take Bob Marley, you know. So, you can't stop Bob Marley. And the son of Bob Marley this year. But them sell out. A Falmouth here. Yeah man. Yeah man. But the local people them. Yeah man, the grassroots people them. You know see it. And our political leaders them. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya.